right, today we're going to be exploding a can of Sprite. Gotta shake it up. Oh. And you might let it step out a little bit. It's going to be over there. No, like you might. Can you see right there?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go. It didn't work. Hold on.
Oh my!
Let me get it. Let me get it. Oh, shoot.
It exploded?
It's about to. It's brushing up. Here we go.
You coming? Come. Come.
Here it is. It's spraying everywhere.
Oh! What soda should we do this next on? Coke? Celsius? High Noon?
Don't waste the stuff.
Or Sprite or Poppy?
One was enough.
I already did Sprite.
Whoa.
Oh my!
It's dripping.
Open it!
No.
Whoa! That was just a waste.